everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some breaking news about Fisker, the US-based EV startup. Fisker has officially filed for bankruptcy after all rescue attempts have failed. This news comes after months of turmoil and financial struggles for the company. Let's start with some background on Fisker's financial issues. The company had ambitious plans to revolutionize the EV market, but it seems they couldn't escape the market and macroeconomic headwinds that have been challenging the industry. Earlier this year, there were some promising talks with Nissan and other big OEMs about a possible rescue deal. However, these negotiations ultimately fell through, leaving Fisker in a precarious position. Production of the Fisker Ocean SUV came to a halt in March, and despite efforts to slash prices and generate cash, it wasn't enough to keep the company afloat. Fisker had plans to build 40,000 EVs in 2023, but ended up building only 10,000 units and delivering less than half of them. Consumer feedback also added to their woes, with mixed reviews for the Ocean SUV and ongoing investigations by US safety regulators into issues with defective brakes and doors that failed to open. So what does the future hold for Fisker? The company is now looking to restructure its debt by selling off assets under Chapter 11. There were also plans for new models like the smaller pair SUV, the Ronin convertible, and the Alaska pickup, but these seem unlikely to materialize without a miracle. And what about CEO Henrik Fisker? With 2 failed businesses under his belt, it remains to be seen if investors will back his next big idea. That's all for today's update. If you found this video informative, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends to keep everyone informed. We'll keep you posted on any new developments in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.